A tenant's dog got out last week. The gate latch failed. The gate was repaired for $850 before summertime, and it failed again. That's a warranty conversation. And we get to contact the vendor to make sure that the tenant is taken care of, because there's no reason why someone who has gone through that ordeal has to get another fence repaired and have to be, you know, liable for it. Then we have a different house. Tenants are wanting to move in, bring two dogs, but as we're walking the fence line, because you want to make sure that the property is up to date, we noticed that there's a hole in the fence that was patched before. So in order to keep their dogs inside, we have to make sure that the fence is properly secure. Containment is a make ready item. That means it's an owner's cost, priced before the move in, which the owner himself has to cover it on their own, because not only is it something that is code enforced by the city, but it's also something that can turn into something bigger if we're not getting in front of it. A fence is the cheapest thing on the property until it fails. A lost animal, heartbreak, sadness, even just protecting the goods and the quiet enjoyment of the tenants all rest on just a couple of planks of cedar. So in order to stay, secure and make sure that the tenant and the owner's property is protected, you have to make sure that you're taking care of it beforehand and maintain the quality. Because the last thing you want to do is get a phone call in the middle of the night because of a fence that fails, because they've already put in months of talking about it, putting in maintenance requests. Nothing happened, and now they're chasing after one of their lost family members.